What is going on with you, YouTube? This is Dave from Tech Refresh coming at you with another video. Today we're looking at the Covert 5 from Ghostek for the Pixel 6 Pro. Ghostek sent me over a couple cases. This is the first one I used. I used this for like 3 days and I can tell you everything about this case, but this is not the first time I used this case. As you can see, you're wondering maybe what type of case it is. It's a bendable TPU style case that does offer some extra protection and some grip. All right, so link to this case will be in the description. You can get it on Amazon or Ghostek site. Let's snap it on, do the tour. All right, so usual suspects at the bottom, cut out for the USB-C, speaker grill, and then this is where it gets different. The corners, the edges, has this little bump for like impact drop protection. You can see it's some extra material or something's in there because it's red on the corners of the phone. Then where you come along, the grip, you can see it's a diamond pattern and it has a different material. So this is along the sides. Bottom is like this matte material, but it has like ridges in here for grip, which is much appreciated. Then you can see the bump. So it looks like it kind of, the phone has ears, little, if you could see, like little bunny ears, cut out for the noise canceling mic. It's that soft, flat material. And then you see the reinforcements here. The buttons, power button is flat. Everything's flat. It's just one long flat button for the volume rocker. I didn't have any issues with it. Just the buttons are so pronounced, man. You're not gonna have issues with the buttons no matter what they put here. Then you have more grip and protection coming along the back. You have a clear window for that Google G. It does have some Ghostek branding here. You can see it says Ghostek. And then, so this is a different material than the sides, than the camera bump. One thing I do like about these Pixel 6 cases is that the camera bump is always super covered. There's never any doubt about it. It's always deeply recessed in there. So this visor kind of cuts off the camera so people can't see how legit that visor is. And it is so like a two-tone material. You have that matte feel along the sides and the camera visor, and then the back is a clear window, but it's not crystal clear. It does have like a little pattern on the inside. I don't know if you guys can make that out, but it does have a little pattern. And then it does have some branding right here, Covert, letting you know what type of case you're using. This phone does provide a lot of protection. Lip comes above the top and bottom, and actually it's hard to do on curved edge screens, but it does come up above the sides, which is not super common for curved edge phones. So Ghostek Covert, do I suggest it? What did I think about this case in the 5 days, or I would say maybe 3 days I used it? Overall, solid case. Stormy Black is legit, but number one, first and foremost, is this case offers grip with the diamond grip that they love to let you know about on the box and the extra pattern right here. It just, you know, these phones, if you're gonna use a case, man, give me some grip. And yes, it does provide an ample amount of grip. Feels good in the hand. No complaints. Only thing is, man, I wish people did more of the matte clear case, because it's just so smudgy and fingerprints, and by the end of the day, man, your phone's looking kind of raggedy. But other than that, I like the extra reinforcements for the drop protection. I haven't had to use it yet, but just having that peace of mind that maybe if I drop the phone on its corner, it's not just going to shatter to pieces. Overall, Ghostek is in the running. Great case for the Pixel 6 Pro. All right, get active in the comments. What are y'all using for y'all Pixels? I'll get at you guys another time. Peace.